like you were before. Because you showed me you ain't the person who you once showed me out to be. I wish you would.
Yo, how we doing, people? Yes, this is me, full identity reveal. Real quick before we get into the video, I'm planning on rebranding and reshaping the channel just a little bit. At this point, I'm not sure what the channel's gonna be called, but I'm sure you do because I probably would have changed it by the time this gets out. But I'm planning on making more in real life content as well as other things. And I might even be making a second channel, so keep your eye out for that. Anyways, let's get back on track. So I'm starting this new weekly series where I bring you guys along and show you all the music related stuff I get up to during the week. I got inspired to do this from people like Vinsta and Tysono. Hope I said your names right. Shout out to them anyway. You guys best know me for my production on this channel, but I also get around recording and songwriting as well. I don't reckon I'll be recording tonight as it's, let me see, 10 p.m. on a Monday night. But anyway, enough with the yapping. The next time you see me, I'll be cooking something up and yeah.
You know you're getting all of me. It's religious cause I need your company. Whoa, and by the way you run to me, it's obvious I know you're the one for me. Whoa.
So basically that was my first time using OBS, and let's just say the footage was unusable, and that was the only clip I got. I didn't want to remove the song from the video just because I didn't capture me creating it. Here's my reaction anyway.
Whoa. Oh, so I thought I was wrong, took too long to start noticing. You took our house, burned it down, there's an opening. Formed in our love that you caused while you out killing. Everything we gave you have changed, never the same. SOS, or are we way out of time? I can't find the right way, always fall out of line. I grin, what are my wishes to go back in the timeline? I just need to somehow get you resurrected. Got destructive way more than I thought. When I was minding my own business, you set flames you provoked. And now all of our belongings are lost, the stories they hold. On God, I need to find a way to give my brain some more hope. Because I never felt this way until you came in my life. Shouting, not the same, I really need a day one vibe. Don't throw me in that mud, I just got on myself. I was so sure you the one, stay for long. Oh, so I thought I was wrong, took too long to start noticing. You took our house, burned it down, there's an opening. Formed in our love that you caused while you out killing. Everything we gave you have changed, never the same. SOS, or are we way out of time? I can't find the right way, always fall out of line. I grin, what are my wishes to go back in the timeline? I just need to somehow get you. Try to recover what we had. Been out here, been searching, been trying to get it all back. No answers, no hints, wish I had an X on the map. I'm fading, exhausted, won't let you have the last laugh. Can we not go back to how it was before? With your love, I wanna. I just need to somehow get you resurrected.
Let me know what you think in the comments. Comment down below if you want to hear the whole thing. Comment Resurrected, and yeah. Yo, what's going on, people? Day 3. Working on a song I wrote called Long Overdue. I've already started some of it. I'm going to try OBS again and see if it works this time. I got to figure out a way to get the audio for this camera to sound better. But still new to this, you know what I'm saying? Gonna get OBS to record the screen, see if it runs well, and yeah, we'll get this song on the go. Please don't lag, please don't lag. Yeah. Alright, sweet. You see what this is like?
Yeah.
God, I'm sorry. Croaky. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna try re-record this first verse.
Best for me, and it's true. 7 months ago.
Already got the words wrong.
We started out, not a single issue. 7 months go by, we've forgotten what lovers do. You can hear my chin rubbing on the bloody pop filter.
Damn.
We've worked this out. Doesn't it feel lost grow? There's nothing like I thought it would.
That was a good take.
Or maybe a whole new world. It's about time we think this through.
This shit is so laggy.
Cause this conversation's been long overdue.
Water break.
This conversation's been long overdue.
I try my best, puzzle piecing with glue. That's the next line.
With glue, start to think that it gets better till it all falls through. You do no wrong, your heart's in and it's true.
Try one more.
Know why, but this feeling is just not that cool. We had what we wanted. Until then we lost it. Got some things I gotta tell you. There's something.
Oh man. I finished comping all the vocals. Fuck it, let's give this shit a listen. Check it out.
She wants the best for me, and it's true. 7 months ago I met you down the avenue. We started out, not a single issue. Couple months go by, we've forgotten what lovers do. Not sure what's sparked it. This time I'll be honest. For it took you. There's something up about it. I can't pretend we've worked this out. Doesn't it feel lost growth? There's nothing like I thought it would. Might need a change about it. Or maybe a whole new world. It's about time we think this through. Cause this conversation's been long overdue. I try my best, puzzle piece it with glue. Start to think that it gets better till it all falls through. You do no wrong, your heart's in and it's true. I don't know why, but this feeling is just not that cool. We had what we wanted. Until then we lost it. Got some things I gotta tell you. There's something up about it. I can't pretend we've worked this out. Doesn't it feel lost growth? There's nothing like I thought it would. Might need a change about it. Or maybe a whole new world. It's about time we think this through. Cause this conversation's been long overdue. Think this through. Cause this conversation's been long overdue.
There we have it. I like the chorus. A lot of rough takes, bad singing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Obviously, still a demo. Very rough recording. Let me know if you want me to finish this, like record it properly. Anyway, yeah. Alright, so it's Friday morning, just woken up. I'm gonna quickly cover this beat that I made on Tuesday, but I didn't end up recording. And I posted it this morning on the channel. Anyways, so we got the sample. So we got that, and then very fucking simple beat. There's only a couple things I added to it. Alright, so we got the hi-hats. Got a snare. Got an open hat. We got our 808. So we'll bring in. And we got a kick. We'll start again for that though. We've got some risers just for the build up. See what it sounds like by themselves. Just something like that, something like that. And then just structuring tags. Super simple. But yeah, and that's pretty much it. If you want to check out the whole beat, it's on my channel called No Escape. And yeah, I gotta fucking hurry up and get ready for work, so that's all for today. Alright, it's Sunday, last day of the week. I'm pretty much going to wrap it up here. But before we finish the video, every week I'm going to be showcasing one of my old demos that I've been letting rot in the vault. Thank you guys for tuning in this week. This demo is called Sold Me, and let's check it out.
Like you said you were, you ain't nothing like you were before. Because you sold me, you ain't the person who you once showed me out to be. I wish you would've told me, I would've never considered signing up at the front. You pocketed your only attributes in love that had me falling. You were my queen, what's gotten you reshaping? I didn't ask for this, can I please get a refund? I tried with you, now I'm tired of you. I cut ties, say goodbye, cause I'm done with through. I provided for you, and I would lie for you, just for you to go and cut me out of everything I built. Don't you live with guilt? Hourglass on tilt. Tonight, it's gonna all be over. I get things changed, but I swear this shit was staged. Cause the only thing that stayed was your soft skin and your frame, mate. I made a mistake ever making you my main. So much things have gone to waste, only you the one to blame. Because you sold me, you ain't the person who you once showed me out to be. I wish you would've told me, I would've never considered signing up at the front. You pocketed your only attributes in love that had me falling. You were my queen, what's gotten you reshaping? I didn't ask for this, can I please get a refund? Even when I tried to adapt to your changes, I found myself feeling like a stranger. Blacked out again, I don't know all these faces. I hate coming out to all of these places. I'll keep you really far away, a world away. Hey, the glass I was almost up. Sold me, you ain't the person who you once showed me out to be. I wish you would've told me, I would've never considered signing up at the front. You pocketed your only